Alright guys, so I'm doing a quick review on this Judy G gluten-free pizza. Take a look, it's gluten-free. And take a look, it's also free from gluten, dairy, lactose, egg, and soy. So check that out. This is their roasted Mediterranean. I tried their other one. It was alright. It had dairy in it, but this one's their dairy-free option. That's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Here's the nutrient panel. Alright, let's open this up. So this is what it looks like. Check that out. Those are some nice artichokes in there. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it into the oven, and I'll let you know what it tastes like once I get it cooked up. So I'll be right back. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, here is the Mediterranean pizza from Judy G. All cooked up. As you can see the artichokes. So I'm going to do a quick taste test. It is extremely hot. I just got it out of the oven. Yeah, it's really hot. So I'm just going to take a fork to it and give you an idea what it sort of tastes like. Here's the artichoke. I got some of the dough. There you go. Alright, so. So, actually has really good flavor. Yeah, actually quite nice. The tomato sauce actually goes down quite nice. The vegetables are nice. The artichokes are nice. Tastes like a regular pizza without the cheese. You know, if I compare it to the Daya ones, I sort of think the Daya ones are slightly better, but this is pretty good too. So it's a nice alternative, guys. Different taste in the. And the sauce is a little bit better, I think, on this one, though. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.